FX, and in this video I just want to further buttress on the points, okay, showing you how to actually ride the trend if you are still struggling with it. So right now, first of all, the rules is that if you want to follow a trend, you have to actually, if you want to be safe on the trend, you just have to do a top-down analysis. If you haven't seen that video, go to the video and check where I did a top-down analysis on Crash 300 and other pairs. Okay, so right now, first of all, what you have to identify is the trend on the bigger time frame. Is it buying? Is it selling? And I have conditions to show you if a price is actually trending upwards or trending downwards. So for some of us, okay, so for some of you who do not know how to actually identify a trend by just looking at your chart, you can also use the two moving averages on my chart, the 200 and the 50. The settings of that is in the previous video. I'm not going to do anything about setting on this video. Just go about checking the settings on my previous videos, especially my last two videos. You are going to see the settings right there. So if you're looking at H1 time frame, you can see that it's actually a buy trend, and all you have to be doing in this market is to look out for buys, okay, for how to buy this instruments. You don't have to go against the trend, because if you go against the trend, you're not sure of the results you're going to have. So first of all, this is a buy trend. Crash 500 index is buying, and then you move over to the 15 minutes time frame. You can see that it's been buying as well. You can see it's been trending upward ever since we had this crossover right here, okay. And I talked about the significance of the two moving averages crossing. So if you haven't seen that, please go look for the videos why I love to trade with moving averages. You'll see it. Just check on my profile on YouTube and go down. You'll see the details of what I'm talking about. Watch the video. It's very educative. So right here we have Crash 500 index buying, and you can see I marked this. So on my Telegram channel, I actually gave this signal when I saw price approach this zone, okay. Price was pulling back. I said it's dangerous to trade against the trend, so I waited for price to bounce off this zone. I marked this blue rectangle zone right here, and then you can see over here at the indicators window, I spotted the divergence here. Not really the divergence, actually. What attracted my attention was that the MACD had pulled down to where we have the oversold levels, okay. Remember I said on a buy trend you're looking out for oversold levels to continue the trend upward, and then on a downtrend you're looking out for overbought levels like what we have here, the overbought levels, so that you could continue the trade downwards. So right here we have price, we have Crash 500 trending upwards, and then I got to spot a signal on the oversold level right here. So what do? You wait for the next condition. So in that video I talked about using the 1 minute time frame to look out for crosses, okay, though not forgetting that 1 minute is also a little bit noisy, but it's still accurate, okay, if you have really taken your time to master this. Like I said, trading is not a child's play. You don't just jump into things. You have to really evaluate stuff before you get into it, okay, to stay long in the business so that you don't crash. Then to lessen the noise, I like to deal with 5 minutes as well, depending on the condition. So right here I saw a perfect bounce of the 20 level, the oversold level on a buy trend, and I knew that this was going to buy. But for me to be sure that it was going to buy and buy for real, I had to mark these levels, okay, mark the previous swing highs and low, okay, to be sure that this is bouncing off. And then price bounced off, and here is the signal I gave, okay. Look at this picture right now on the chart. Here is the signal I gave on my Telegram channel. If you haven't joined the Telegram channel just yet, do well to join, okay. Please do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit the subscription button if you're not, because I always upload videos like this all the time, you know, from time to time, to help you if you're a beginner or an intermediary student, okay. You're still struggling with knowing how to make money from the market. It's not very hard, though it's not easy to make money from the market, I must be sincere with you, but it's not difficult once you've known what you're supposed to know, the basics, like I said. So right here, price was trending upward, and I spotted this at the oversold zone. and then I crossed this, connected this point, and I waited for a breakout. Remember, like what I did on Crash 300, my previous video. And after it broke out, you can see that stochastic game came to this point and gave an oversold signal as well, and that oversold happened to show up here, right here, where we have this crossover here. Remember that price had locked here with the 2 moving averages, okay, confirming the trend, confirming what we have here, all of this story here at the oversold level of the 20 oversold level. Now price locked here, and then the 2 moving averages crossed here. That's price locking that trend, and then we have price retesting here. And what happened? You can see that price bounced off that zone without crossing back and closed bullish, okay. That was the entry. And so I sent this signal on the group, and for those who took this signal, they were successful, okay. This is how to trade. I just said to share this once again. If you're still struggling, just take note of this. Watch the videos if you haven't, okay. If you do not watch the videos, you're not going to understand how to do this, okay. Watch the videos and apply what you've learned so far, and you're going to have it correctly. So if you haven't joined my Telegram group just yet, do well to join. I also have a VIP signal group where right now you can join at $20 for lifetime. You don't have to pay every month, but usually it's every month. It's actually $10 every month, but for now you pay $20 for lifetime. You don't have to pay. So you can join the Telegram group for free, yes, but if you want to be my VIP group for signals, for special signals with stop loss and take profit, you're going to pay $20, but it's for a limited time. You're going to pay $20 for a lifetime, but that offer is limited. It is for a limited time, and it's going to change. It's going to change when I'm ready to change that. So for now, jump into the Telegram channel, enjoy the free signals. The free signals, we could send 1 or 2 setups in a week, or one setup in a week, or we could send setups as it comes. But if you want to have more frequent signals, accurate signals, okay, just do well to join the paid signal group, and let's make this money together. So see you guys in my next video. Do well to like this video, do well to subscribe if you haven't yet for more educational content here. Do well to like this video, guys. Thanks. See you in my next video.